down there, all of you. Some of them did not stand up, I think. Sit down, sit down. I think when this all same only in the same size only. Why what same size only? Same all the size same also. So why all of you are talking there? Bigger letters, sir. Oh, you can tell teacher, no problem. You can tell teacher what's the no problem. Go on. Interval. Not in the class hour. Yeah, what is going on there? Take out your math book. What is that? Physics exam is next Monday only, not this week. After exam, you will have the classes as usual. Today last hour I will take physics. Yesterday who took the attendance? Sanderan teacher took the attendance, sir? Paper. Rishikesh, Ronald, Tanuj, Praveen, others keep quiet there. If you are not saying the attendance, I will mark absent for you. D. Praveen, Kiran Kaushik, Rohit Dutta, Vamsi Yadav, Ishan, Nikhil, K. Ashwan, Subramaniam, Prithviraj, Abdullah, Fayaz, completed all the record works, sir. Gave to Normal sir all the books, sir. Kashan Ali, Mahir, they are planning to write the exam in 2022, I think, not in 2021. Shoaib is not there. Yashwant, absent. You have sent a message. Ragesh, Sohan, Neraji, Sambat, Trivikram, Supamde, Harshavardhan, Sohan Mighty, Sanjeev, Subhajit Sahu. You completed the works and all, huh? That I forgot to ask you. Have you got the book? Where is your graph book? Rahmatullah, Sahil, boys talking there. Mohit, Raviram, Surya Teja, B. Pavan Kumar, Aditya, Jagan Venkatesh, Rakesh, Ulkash Swami, Sandeep, Yuva Sandeep, M. Shivakumar, M. Sai Chaitanya, Shiva came. Huh? Sai Chaitanya, Rohit, Vignesh, Sadish, Yogeshwar, Vishwan, Pavan, Manohar, Kunashagar, Srinivas Dev, Sachin. Anybody else is there? $20 boys only came today. The remaining 11 more. Did they say anything whether they are not going to write exam this year or directly they will send write exam? Anything they have said? What is that? Ritik Roy, not the borders I am talking about, the day scholars. In this 10th B, 11 out of 11, 8 are borders. One border is coming here, no? 8 are borders. So remaining 3 of them. They used to come, that way. Pavan Kumar used to come in the beginning because he couldn't complete the work. That day we told him not to come. After that he is not coming. Then who is the other one? Not well, eh? Fever. From that day onwards, many days. Then who are the other 2 boys? Who? Raviram, he used to come, maybe some problem. Yes, another third one? Sadish came. Who? Ulkash. Okay, he is in Bangalore. His mother is sick and he is in Bangalore. Now what about the 10th year? How many are there? (22, 23). 23 plus 4 is borders. 27. Another 7 more. Who? Why? When the class is here, we went to Vijayawada. That day he had called me, but when I called him back, he did not take the phone. One is Sahir, Kashin, Sovereign Mighty, Mahir, Trivikram, Gajoka. These children did not come at all. M. Yashwant today because of sick only he did not come. Who are the another 2 more? Sambat is there? Rohit Detta, maybe he is coming, no? Then one more? Vasudev. Vasudev?
Already we counted.
No, I didn't count it. So five of them are not at all coming. I don't know whether they can write X on this year or not, like to E1 or not. These are going on talking, right? That is homework. Some of them said that not able to get it. In that most of the sums you have to do. When any of the solid is melted and made another one, both the volumes will be equal. Whatever the solid, if it is one solid is making the another, that cylinder is melting and making the cuboid or cone or sphere or whatever it is, whatever the shape, both the volumes will be equal. Like that you have to take that sums. And anyway, I got sent the workings. How many of you completed the works? Srinivas did not get time to complete it. No, Srinivas? Why Sanjeev is this much only? Sahu did not complete the work. Sahu is not at all looking at me. Ronald, those who have not completed the work, come and sit down here. After me, Kiran, what happened? Those who did not complete the work, please come and sit down here. After the class 1:30, you have to complete it, then only go home. Sahu, Donald, here who did not complete the work? After sending the work also you are not able to complete means. Others keep quiet. Shiva, we are taking the class, we are giving the homeworks and all, you have to complete the work. Others keep quiet there. Any problem if you have, you can talk to me, you can find out the solution for it. Yes? Not completed. Not completed, come and sit down here. Pardon? Not pen. Not bell. When? Tuesday. Then yesterday you were not well? Couldn't complete the work? Couldn't complete the work? House shifting. Then finish all those work, then only come to the class. After 1:30 complete the work, that's all for me. Sahu, who else is there not completed the work? Come down. Those who are not completed the work. If I find any work like you are not completed, punishment will be more. 2 times, 3 times and make it over here to the work. 10th B, those who are not completed the work. Satish, you have done the work? Somebody must tell you to come out now. For 10th B also I had kept that working is in the book. Keep the social distancing when you sit down also. See, now only some are coming out. Did you write down this boy's name? And here, one of you Sandeep, write down this boy's names. Jagan is not there. Swami, what is the problem? That boy is K. Yashwant sitting on the bench or coming? Grandmother, this one, that side. Copy down the work also, you are not getting time. If I told you to do the work by yourself, then also you never do the work. Got it? Next period physics. Okay children, I'll discuss that sums again. Fifth question, what length of solid cylinder 2 centimeter diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of fractional diameter 20 centimeter and 0.25 centimeter thick and 15 centimeter long. One solid cylinder is making another one, melting and making the another hollow cylinder. Solid cylinder is melting and making the another one as hollow cylinder. Now what length of the cylinder should be there? So as I told you, volume of the solid cylinder will be equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. What is the formula to find volume of the solid cylinder? Pi r square h. Very good. And what is the volume of the hollow cylinder? Pi into capital R square minus small r square into h. Base area, you can use the formula base area into h area of the solid. So here the volume of the solid cylinder will be equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. When the solid cylinder is recasting into the hollow cylinder. Only this length we have to take. I told you the height means if it is kept like this, that height will be taken as the length. That height we have to find it out. All other measurements are given. The diameter, external diameter is 20. So capital letter R is equal to 10. External diameter is 20, radius is equal to 10 and thickness is 0.25. So what is the small radius? R minus thickness is the small radius, internal radius. So capital R is equal to 10 centimeter, thickness is equal to 0.25 centimeter. Therefore the small r will be capital R minus thickness, which is something you can write down. 10 minus 0.25. Yes. Sitting here also to talk. Huh? You move this side. Move this side. Go and sit there. Those who want to talk to yourself or to your friends, you can call the friend and go out of the class. Move that side. Small radius is equal to 9.75 centimeter. You did not complete the work again? Down. Those who did not do the homework. Now that's all. That's some only I'm just telling it. From this we have to find out radius of the solid cylinder is given 2 centimeter diameter. Solid cylinder's diameter is 2 centimeter, radius is equal to 1 centimeter. That is here. Pi and pi can be cancelled. 1 square into height is equal to capital R 10 square minus 9.75 square into height is equal to how much length? 12. 15. 10 centimeters. From this we have to find out the height. 1 square is equal to 1. So all the simplification of this gives the length of the solids. Now sixth one. A cylinder has a diameter of 20 centimeter. The area of the curved surface is 100 centimeter square. Find the height of the cylinder correct to 1 decimal place. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is equal to 100 centimeter. Radius is given. Height is what? 10 centimeter. 1 point is given. Radius or height. Diameter is 20. So radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi RH. This is equal to 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square in this 2 into 22 by 7, R is 10, H is equal to, H into H is equal to 100. From this you have to find out the height value. Correct it to 2 decimal place, 1 decimal place. Correct to 1 decimal place means you have to find out the second decimal place also. Second decimal place, and according to second decimal place, if it is 5 or more than 5, you have to increase 1 to the first one. If it is less than 5, same number only you have to write. And and find the volume of the cylinder. What is the formula to find the volume? Pi r square h. H will find out from here. R is given. Substitute that one and find out the volume. This is also correct to 1 decimal place. Correct to 1 decimal place means you have to find out the Swami, as you have done the homework. You were standing there to come down. Tuesday's homework. Yes. Correct to 1 decimal place, you have to find out the second decimal place, and according to the second decimal place, you have to correct the first one. If it is 5 or more than 5, increase by 1. Whose book is this? Why did you give you a book? Now this is not the time for them to complete the work. Five or more than 5, increase 1. That is point you know. For example, if it is 33.25, the value is 33.25. We have to correct 1 decimal place, find out the second decimal place. If it is 5 or more than 5, increase by 1 here. So the answer will be 33.3. If it is 33.24, since it is less than 5, no need of adding it, the value will be 33.2. That is approximation in 5th standard or 6th standard you are learning. 7th one, a metal pipe has a bore of 5 cm inner diameter, 5 cm. The pipe is 5 mm thick all round. Find the weight in kilogram of 2 meters of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of metal weighs 7.7 grams. That is, here we have to find out the volume of the material used to make the pipe. What is the formula to find the volume of the material? Pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Inner diameter is given 5 centimeter. So small radius is inner radius is equal to 2.5 cm. Inner radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Thickness is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter is same as 0.5 centimeter. Now to get the external radius, you have to add the thickness to the internal radius. So external radius is equal to 2.5 plus 0.5, or which is equal to 3.0 or 3 centimeter. And length is given 2 meters. Length of the pipe is given 2 meters. 2 meter is same as 200 centimeter. That length we can take it as the height also. So h is equal to 2 meter, or which is same as 200 centimeter. All the points are there. We can find out the volume by using the formula pi capital R square minus small r square into h. This gives the volume of the material used to make the pipe. All the points are there. R is equal to 3, small r is equal to 2.5, h is equal to 200. Now, the weight of 1 centimeter cube of metal is 7.7 grams. Find out the weight of this much metal into volume into this 7.7. So, weight of this is equal to volume into 7.75 grams. We have to find out it in kilogram. If they are not asked, you can do the answer in gram also. But they are asked to find out it in kilogram. So you have to convert into the kilogram, dividing by 1000. So this value, if you divide by 1000, the volume, whatever the answer you get here, multiply by 7.75, divide by 1000, which will convert the answer into the kilo. 8th one, a cylinder container with a diameter of base 42 centimeter contains sufficient water to submerge a rectangular solid of iron with dimensions 22 centimeter into 14 centimeter into 10.5 centimeter. Find the rise in level of water when the solid is submerged. In physics also we have learned it. When anything is submerged in water, the water level will rise, and volume of the solid is equal to volume of the water rise. Volume of the solid, which is same as submerged. Volume of the solid which is submerged will be same as volume of the water rise. And volume of the water will be rising in the shape of the cylinder. So that volume you have to take it in the cylinder. Height level you have to find out. Radius is same as the radius of the cylinder. Cylinder diameter is 42. Radius will be equal to 21 centimeter. Radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Volume of the block. It is a cubical block. What is not cuboid? What is the volume? Formula to find the volume of the cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So here the volume also is equal to formula is length into breadth into height. Here the value is 22 into 14 into 10.5. Now volume of the water rise. That is by using the formula pi r square at 22 by 7. R is equal to 21. 21 into 21. H only you have to find out, which is equal to volume of the cuboid, which is equal to volume of the solid. Here solid is the cuboid, volume of the solid or the cuboid submerged in water. From this you have to find out the height. That gives the volume of water rise. Find the rise and level of water when the solid is. Ninth one, a cylindrical container with internal radius of its base 10 centimeter contains water up to a height of 7 centimeter. Find the area of the wet surface of the cylinder. Wet surface means where water is there. How to find out the area of the wet surface? Where all water is there? Curved surface part to a height of 7 centimeter, and also the base also. Water is there now. Down base also, that is the total area of the wet surface. Curved surface area to a height of 7 centimeter and the base area of the solid cylinder. That is 2 into 22 by 7. R is how much is given? 10. Height is 7. And here 22 by 7 into 10 square. This simplification answer is the area of the surface, which is till 9 only I had given you the homework now. Now to the 10th one. Find the total surface area of an open pipe of length 50 centimeter, external diameter 20 centimeter, internal diameter 6 centimeter. What is the total surface area of a hollow cylinder? Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Pi into capital R square minus small r square. Here they are said open. Open means no cover. Open means no cover. Write down all the points you can write down. Length of the pipe. Length of the pipe 10 centimeter. Okay. Internal radius, external radius. So diameter is given means diameter you can write. Directly also you can write down the radius. Okay, external radius 10 centimeter. External radius, internal radius. External radius and internal radius. External radius is 10 and internal radius is 3. External radius is 10 centimeter, internal radius is 3 centimeter. Total surface area. Total surface area of the pipe. total surface area of the pipe. Total surface area of the pipe. Internal curved surface area. Internal curved surface area. Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area. Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Internal curved surface area plus external curved surface area plus 2 base area. Total surface area of the write down the formula. What is the internal surface area? Formula internal surface area is by small rs and external curved surface area is by capital R and base area is 2 by capital R square minus small r square. Apply all the formula values. 2 into 22 by 7. Small r is 3. H is 50. 2, 22 by 7. Capital R is 10. And H is 50. Plus 2 by into 2 into 22 by 7. 10 square minus 3 square. Can take common also. 2 into 20 by 7 is common. 44 by 7 into, here it is 150, here it is 500, and there it is 100 minus 9, 91. Forty-four by 7, 500, 650, 741. Multiply and divide by 6. Now draw the margin for your mass book. Is it your mass book? Why you are in between gap and up? Because of me. Huh? What is that one? Why you are writing there? This much work we did it and nothing you have written in that writing. Waiting for the muhurta. Turn the logo, turn the page. What sum is that one? 17A. Teacher's work and my work all together you are writing it. Yes, sir? I have told you to write like that? Or teacher told you to write like that? In one notes only all mixed. Everybody is writing like that, children? Yes. No, one notebook you can use it, but in both the places, both the first and last day I told you to write it. He is writing like one mixer. Everything, today's work, tomorrow's work, like that only it's going on. Cannot make out. Where is my work then? Tuesday's work? Tuesday's work. Where is it? Get it here. Simplify the work. Multiply. Everybody has to multiply it. Don't wait for the answer to get it from others. What happened, Gunasekhar? Gunasekhar. They did not mention anything. 1 or 2 decimal places you can write down. What is that? Two decimal places they have written here. 4,000. 4657.71. That boy is directly copying the answer from backside. Did you do the multiplication? Yeah, 4651.71 centimeter square. Do the 11th one as homework. Okay, 11th one I'll tell, easy only, I'll tell you how to do the work. Listen here all of you. Where is your book? Not brought. Parents are learning at home. Did not do the homework. Write his name. Who is writing your Sandeep? Write his name. Send it in the WhatsApp also. Then why did not bring the book? I had told you to write both the classes separately, not together. 11th question. The height and radius of the base of a cylinder are in the ratio 3:1. Ratio of the height and radius are given 3:1. We can take the height be 3x and radius be 1x. Volume is given. What's the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So pi r square h, in that one, height and radius you can write in terms of x. Pi r square, 1x into 1x into height 3x. This is equal to 1029 pi. Pi into 1x into 1x into 3x is equal to 1029 pi. Pi and pi can be cancelled. Left hand side you will get it 3x cube. 3x cube, which is equal to 1029. Dividing 1029 by 3, you will get it 343. X cube is equal to 343. From that you have to find out the x value. X is equal to 7. 7 cube is 343. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. So x is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, what is the radius? 7. And what is the height? 3 into 7, 21. What is the point? You have to find it out. Total surface area. What is the formula to find the total surface area? 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r into h plus r. Directly apply the radius and height and find out the total surface area. To the 12th one. The radius of a solid right circular cylinder increases by 20% and its height decreases by 20%. Find the percentage change in its volume. Percentage change to get it, we have to find out what is the change in volume. For that, new volume and the original volume. Original volume you can find out by taking the radius as r and height is h. You can find out the original volume by r square h. Now r is increases by 20%. So r will be 120 by 100. Here they have taken as 100 and 100. That method also you can use it. R is increased by 120. 120 by 100. Original radius into 120 by 100 is the new radius. And height is decreases by 20%. Original height into 80 by 100 is the new height. Find out the new volume. Difference in this original volume and the new volume gives the change in volume. And percentage you can find out by using the formula change in volume divided by original volume into 100. change in volume by original volume into 100. Do the work. That is one formula. Do the work. As I have given like that 100 also you can take it, or if you want to take 100 then that is 100 means it will be easy calculation. Let the radius of the cylinder be Let the radius of the cylinder be 100 centimeter. Let the radius of the cylinder be 100 centimeter and the height be 100 centimeter. Let the radius of the cylinder be 100 centimeter. With R and H also you can find it out. 100 means it will be easy calculation. Since the radius increases by Since the radius increases by 20%, new radius is equal to 100 into 120 by 100. 120 centimeter. Since the height decreases by 20%,